Hi there, welcome to Kapow Learning, sponsored by Kapow Learning. Hi there, it's Mr. Chris. We are looking at ordering fractions, and who is a special Kapow guest today? It's hello, who's there? Are you there?
Me.
What's your name?
Phat.
Ming Phat. So Ming Phat is the special guest for today. We're going to try and order these fractions. We've got 4/5, 10/15, and 2/5. We've got to go from smallest down to biggest, across to biggest. So what do we need to do first? Ming Phat, what do we need to do first?
We need to look at the numbers to see if they are bigger than the others.
Yeah, so we've got 5, 15, and 5. So what do we need to do with the 5s? Do you need right now? You could do this many ways. You could actually divide, but I'm just going to do it like this. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that all mine are 15ths. Okay. Now you could do it another way, but I've not shown that way, so I will do that for tips and tricks. So what do we multiply by 5 to make 15? Being fat.
2.
Right. 5 times what equals 15? In fact, just be careful with that. Think you should know this.
3.
Right. So we need to also remember to times the top number by 3. So this is where we need to just be careful. Okay. If you're not careful, you're going to make mistakes. So we're going to times it by 3. Okay. So we do the same to both. So what's 4 times 3?
4 times 3 is 12.
Excellent. So we put in 12 there. So now 4/5 is equal to 12/15. Okay. What do we need to do with this one then? The next one. We also need to turn this one into 15ths as well. Okay. So we're going to say, right, how many 5s make 15? So what are we multiplying by?
3.
Right, excellent. So, and what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. Okay. And I'm going to get my little line here and do that over here. Now, we don't know what number that is, so I'm just going to put a question mark there. We don't know what that is. And, okay, and then let's put our little line underneath for the fraction. So we'll do that as well. Right, so, and get that a little bit bigger, like that. Oop, too much. Right, so now, so 5 times by 3. So what do I need to do with the top number then? What do I need to times that by?
You need to times it by 3.
Yeah, so what's 2 times 3?
Is 6.
Excellent. So now what we've done, now you could have done this many ways. You could have divided this by 5, okay? But we're not because it might not work. So let's just keep it simple like we've been doing. So if we put that there like that, I'll just get that number. Here we go. Can I get that number? Oh, no, it's here. So 3 times 2 is 6.
3 times 2 is 6.
Yeah, excellent. Now we've got, I'll just draw a line because it's gone, 6/15. So now we've got 12/15, 10/15, and 6/15. Which is the smallest one, Ming Fat? Which is the smallest one?
It's the 6 and 15.
Right. Do we write 6 and 15 though?
No.
What do we write instead? We write 2/5. Okay, so you've got to be very careful there. I've been saying you do not write the fraction that you have just made. You write the fraction you were given. So we've got 2/5 here. So that is the smallest one. What's the next biggest one after that? We've got 10/15 and 12/15. Which is the next biggest one after that, Ming Fat? Ming Fat, hello, are you there? 3, 2.
Yes.
Right, we need to be quicker. Which is the next biggest number? 10/15 or 12/15? Which one?
10, 15.
Right, excellent. So 10/15 is the next biggest one. So we should have had 10/15 as well. So that was our second one. And make sure you do your fraction like that. So we've used that one. We've used that one. So therefore, now be careful how you answer the next one. What's the next? What is the biggest fraction next, Ming Fat?
12 and 15.
Right. Which fraction do we write down though?
the 12 and the 15.
No, we do not. We write down the fraction we were given. Okay, so what fraction is 12 15 did we start with?
4 and 5.
4/5. Say 4/5. Can you say 4/5, please? Repeat it.
It's 4/5.
Excellent, that's better. So what we should have had is 2/5 is the smallest, then 10/15, then 4/5. Okay, and you need to make sure you write these numbers here that we start off with. Excellent. That is how you order fractions from smallest to biggest. Boom shakalaka kaka kaka.
Thảo ơi, bên đó thì không thể hỏi em về